Welcome to my review of Car Next Door. In this video, I'll be covering all aspects of using the service, from the sign-up process to the actual car rental experience. Car Next Door offers a unique approach to car rentals by letting you rent cars directly from car owners, which can be a more flexible and affordable alternative to traditional rental companies. I'll start by showing you how to get started with Car Next Door. Signing up is simple and quick, but you'll need to verify your identity before you can start renting. Once you're set up, browsing available cars in your area is easy through their website or app. You can search by location, car type, and rental price, which gives you flexibility depending on your needs. The app shows you a variety of cars, including everything from small compact cars to larger family cars, and even luxury vehicles. The next thing I noticed was the booking process. You can choose your pickup and drop-off times, and the platform makes it clear whether the car is available or not. The pricing structure is quite transparent, with no hidden fees, which is a big plus. However, I did find that some cars have higher insurance charges, which can add up. While figuring out how to make the trip smoother, I stumbled upon GetRent-A-Car. Since then, traveling's never been easier. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Once I'd booked a car, the next step was picking it up. In my experience, the pickup process was smooth, but it can vary depending on the car owner. Some owners provide a seamless handover, while others may require more communication or documentation. I've had both experiences, so it's worth noting that you should always confirm everything with the car owner before you go. One of the things I liked about Car Next Door is the flexibility. If your plans change, it's relatively easy to extend your rental or adjust your schedule, which is much better than the rigid rental policies you might find with traditional companies. However, this flexibility sometimes comes at a price, as some cars charge higher rates for last-minute changes. The cars I've rented have always been clean and well-maintained, but it's important to check the car's condition beforehand, as the quality can vary from owner to owner. I had one instance where the car had a small issue with the tires, but I was able to resolve it quickly with the car owner, which was a positive experience. On the downside, customer service can be hit or miss. In my case, when I had an issue with a booking, I found it challenging to get a quick response. While the platform has a helpful FAQ and support system, there's room for improvement in the speed of their customer support. In conclusion, Car Next Door offers a solid car-sharing option for people who want a flexible, cost-effective alternative to traditional car rentals. It's not perfect, but for the most part, it gets the job done. Whether it's for a quick trip or a longer road trip, I found it a convenient option to explore, and I would recommend it for people who value flexibility and a personalized experience. If you like this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews.